In this video, you will learn how to install Docker on a Windows computer. You can download Docker from this website, and I've added the link to the website in the description of the video. Make sure the WSL option is selected, and then click the OK button. Thanks to WSL, the Linux kernel that Docker requires will run on Windows. The installation will be completed in a short time. Once it's finished, open a PowerShell window and check the Docker version command. Most likely, you won't get an error, but if you encounter this error like I did, you need to make an adjustment in the environment variables. Go to the directory where Docker is installed. It should be on the C drive. Copy the path of the bin folder. Go to Environment Variables, and we need to add this file path there. After adding it, save and close. Close PowerShell and open it again, and now the Docker command will return an output. But we're not done yet. Start Docker. Sign in using any method. I will sign in with Gmail. After signing in, let's go back to the terminal. You can check Docker images, but there are no images yet. Now let's test whether Docker is working with Hello World. You can now run Docker on Windows. There are many Python-related courses on the channel, all of them free. I recommend you take a look. To support us, you can join the channel and subscribe. Keep learning.